Hello everyone, welcome to Salika Mag. In today's tutorial we will learn this beautiful textured flower. You can make it on the cushions, on your dresses, even on bed sheets. So options are so many. So first I take the fabric. This is just a leftover fabric and I just fold it in 4 folds like this. And first thing I cut the first strip is 1 inch. The other is also 1 inch because my first flower is more full, so I need 2 strip of 1 inches so that I can show you that if during the stitching of flower, if fabric is less, how you can attach another strip in the same flower. And my second strip was in almost 2.5 for another flower. So but let's start the first flower. First you have to fold it like this way, 4 folds, and this is the base point of your flower. I just attach a piece of paper under my fabric because my fabric is so thin. But if you are working in a the thick fabric, with the thick fabric, no need for that. So now just turn your fabric like this way, twist it, and then start stitching. Now every time when you start, you have to move your fabric. You need to down your needle, up your lever, and then turn according to your the shape of your flower, because here is a round shape. So that's how, just down your needle on every turning point. I just down my needle and then up my lever, and then turn my fabric, and then again twist your fabric in a arc way, make a arc here. So this is the this round is actually the actual size of my flower, and within this circle I will fill my all the other fabric. So that's how you have to twist it. And the next flower I will also show you that how you can do the same thing with the marking. First you can mark properly and then you can stitch, so don't skip this video. See, again I just twist it here, and if you have a shading scissor, you sorry, the picking scissors, you can do it by that also, or it depends also on the fabric type, so it will not fray. And see, that's how you have to twist it. And now slowly I'm going inside of my this circle, twist it again, and then go inside, something like this. And make sure that you are stitching on the edges of this strip, because this is the base of our flower. And every time when you start the next circle, make sure that you are covering the previous stitches. So in this way you will get the beautiful result. And because the thread is the matching thread, so no need to worry, it will not visible when it will fill properly. So see, that's how you have to again twist your fabric, down your needle, and then turn the fabric. These flowers are very beautiful flowers with a different texture. Same technique you can apply with different colors and different textures, and every time you will get a different look. So this is a very beautiful and very interesting technique. You will really enjoy. You can make cushions, bed sheet, you can make dresses. And in the next flower I will show you how only by changing the width of your fabric, the look will completely different. See guys, if you really like this video, please don't forget to give your feedback. Just at least thumbs up the video, and in comments also tell me if anything you want to learn. See, that's how you have to twist, and then up your lever, and then again turn your fabric. Each time gradually you will go inside. So now I'm almost near the edge of the end of my strip. So I will show you how you can attach a new strip in this journey. So I'm just doing it a little fast forward so you guys can see. Guys, if you want to watch this video in a slow mode, there is a 3 dots on your video. You can increase or decrease the speed of your video according to your requirement, because some people want in a little fast forward mode. So see guys, now I'm on at least on the end of my this flower. Now I'm going to attach another strip on this. So this is the next strip, and we will fill the remaining part. Now just attach it like this, and don't worry about that it will visible, because we are going to cover it with the whole circle. See, keep moving like this way. Every time turn your fabric by keeping your needle down, because if you move your needle, your shape will not come perfect. So this is the basic technique of this flower. And now I'm on the end of my flower. So let me show you how you can cut from here. Just cut the extra strip and leave a little bit extra. See, I'm almost at the end of this flower, so I'm just going to cut from here. And see, just cut from here and then fold this edge a little bit inside, something like this, and then stitch it like lengthwise and widthwise. Don't worry about that it will be visible, because it's with the same color. So, and flower is so much full that these stitches will not be visible. See, this is the first look of our flower. You can change the look by using different color and different texture. Now the next flower I'm going to mark here first, so it will be easy to know that what is the boundary of our flower. So this is something I want, and this time my strip is 2.5 inches, and you can see that how only by changing the width of the strip the look is completely different. So now this is the base point. First double lock here and just turn your fabric something like in this arc shape. And guys, you can see even with a very basic sewing machine, no fancy stitches, but we are able to make a beautiful design. See, now stitch on the base of your this strip, and if something is missing here, don't worry, it will cover in the next when we keep going, so it will cover. No worries. No need to be so much perfect. There is a little messy part here, and that is the beauty of this flower. So see, every time on the turning point, just down your needle, turn your fabric and keep going. Guys, hope you like this tutorial, and please give me your feedback. If you want to learn more designing videos, just comment below. And if you miss my video about how to take body measurement and how to make the basic pattern for beginners, you can also watch on my playlist. And see, that's how you have to keep moving. Okay guys, hope this is easy to follow, and every time just make sure that you are stitching on the edges. Down your needle, then again turn your fabric this way, then again make a arc, something like this. And every time you are going to cover your last stitch with this fabric. Also guys, please let me know in the comments that you are you like this way of by explaining me then each and every step, or you like the videos mostly on YouTube there is available with the music, only the music in background and fast forward mode. So you like that way of videos, please give me your feedback, because I want to explain each and every step that is important. But if you want with the only music, if you like that type of videos, just give me your feedback, it will really help me to improve my videos. And thank you so much for watching. And if you make this flower, I would love to see your work. Just let me know. You can join also me on Facebook with the ID Slika Mag. And see now, also I'm on end of my flower, and you can see with the less length of this strip, but the width was more, and we are achieving almost the same size flower, but a completely different look. So that's how you can play with the colors, with the texture, with the size of the strips, and you can create a lot of beautiful flowers in different every time a different look. And after that you can remove this paper. This paper is not necessary. I just place this paper because my fabric was so thin, so just remove this paper after that. Or even you can use any washable interfacing. So this is the final result. Hope you like. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Take care. Bye bye.